Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or start a new project in your account on Microsoft Copilot, for example, to use PDF files, text, documents, images, and so on and so forth for this project, and to use Copilot's abilities to help you on that project. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you can create a personalized project with these files here on Copilot by heading over to Copilot to the web application, for example, by logging into your Microsoft account, and after that navigate to projects on the left hand side, expand it, for example, to navigate to an already created project, or create a new one by clicking to this plus button. Give your project a name here, upload files, for example text documents, instructions, PDF files, and so on and so forth, and confirm by clicking into create project here. And after that you will be redirected to the overview of your project. So here you can start by messaging Copilot by entering your prompt here, and by, for example, giving it instructions. You will also be given the opportunity to add sources or source files and create, for example, various types of projects, like here, for instance, summaries. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.